young boy.
Why do we use the lunar calendar? What do we use the...
Lunar calendar?
Yeah.
Or solar calendar?
The lunar calendar.
The lunar calendar and solar calendar are two different things, different ways of judging time and passage of days and months, years. The lunar year is longer by 10 days to, so solar year is longer by 10 days to lunar year. Instead of 360 days, 365 days, it is 355 days. So the difference is not only that. The most important thing from religious point of view is this, that lunar years go on changing with the result that sometimes a month, for example Ramadan, falls during the heat of the summer and sometimes in the extremely cold days where the weather changes. So it goes on rotating, and in various conditions it appears and rotates throughout the world. If Allah had chosen a solar year instead of lunar year, or a solar system instead of a lunar system, then it may have happened that if Ramadan was in, for example, June, in England, it will always be the longest Ramadan fasting days. And in Pakistan, they will be the hottest fasting days. And in Australia, there will be short, very short days and cold days as well. So it will be very unfair for different populations to enjoy or suffer different Ramadan altogether. So by this rotation, the whole world is equally treated, both to the north, nearer to the North Pole and nearer to the South Pole. If you have a long day, at least you have the advantage of not having suffered that thirst, which provides much more agony in Pakistan's comparatively short day. But still, you also have an advantage of having a Ramadan in the winter time with very little to suffer. And there in Pakistan, they have also Ramadan in winter days, very easy, very comfortable. So this advantage and disadvantage continues revolving. And in every 34 years, this cycle is completed. So it's not for nothing that Allah chose the lunar days. It had to be that, otherwise it would be a very clumsy system.